Hey guys, you want to know how to add custom home environments to your Oculus Quest? Well, in this simple tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how to do that. Now, the first thing you're going to need is Sidequest. I'll leave a link down in the description below. What you're going to do is download it from this website. Now, once you've done that, we're going to go to a Discord called Quest Homes. I'll leave a link down in the description below so you guys can follow along. Now, you can choose any home you would like. I'm going to go with this one. Now, from here, you're going to select whichever home you're okay with getting rid of. I'm going to go with Winter Lodge. Now once it's done, you're going to click on Show in Folder. Now what you're going to do is you're going to pull up Sidequest, and you want to make sure your Quest is connected to your PC. From there, you're going to go to Currently Installed Apps. It's this icon right here. And you're going to type in Winter Lodge. So once you see that, you're going to click on this. You're going to click on Backup APK File and backup game data. Once you've done that, you can delete it, and from there all you have to do is just click and drag this over the drop files here, and just like that it works, and now you have your own custom home environment. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.